Hello, everybody. Here's another audit we're doing on my favorite person, Chris Koerner, on the Koerner office. The $0 side hustle anyone can start with just a phone. I watch people do math for 35 years. This is the first time I've seen somebody claim 100 videos a day as a part-time job. So let's listen into a little bit here.
I'm making over $10,000 per month, but I work no more than 4 to 5 hours per week. It's very difficult to not make money. My brother-in-law, when we got him first started, he did 700 in his first week.
Holy crap.
First week. At 700 videos, he averages anywhere from $25,000 to $30,000 in profit per month.
Yeah, right. Think about that. That's 100 videos a day. Okay, 100. That's how long it's going to take you to make. I mean, the Amazon review videos. Yeah, they're not that long, but still 100 videos. So let's get into the audit here. So Chris obviously is back on my channel again. This is another one of his fantasy, time frame jobs again. The video gets a D. The easiest way to make money from home, Amazon product review. So let me get into kind of the audit here and I'll tell you more about it. And if you guys want to watch his video, you can watch it. So like in the beginning, this guy here, I forgot his name. He has his own video. Let me see, what is it? Trayvon or something like that. Trevin. Yeah, Trevin. So again, 700 videos in 1 week. Okay. So anyways, the Amazon influence program is real. No doubt about it. That's why I got a D, Okay. Creator connection is real. This is not, it's a true thing you can do, but there's some key things you guys got to understand about it. Okay. He always says he won't review a generally bad product. Fine. That's the credit. And then there's no problem with that one. So if you don't want to review a bad product, that's fine. Here's the claim. My brother-in-law, when he got his first started, he did 700 in his first week. That's 100 videos a day. Even at 5 minutes per video, grab product, film it, edit, tag it, the existing listing, upload over 8 hours a day, nonstop production for a beginner in 1 day. Man, that's just, another fantasy number that they keep telling you guys. And this Trevon guy is just basically blowing smoke up you guys' butt. I mean, there's no way you can create. I mean, that'd be more than 8 hours, I think. Way more than 8 hours. Let's see. Okay. The same video opening montage, I work no more than 4 to 5 hours per week. Both of those cannot be true. Pick one. Either way, the other one was said to sell you something. Yeah, they're leading you into it. And you guys, if you buy into these things, you're really just throwing your money down the rabbit hole. Trevin on split, $12,000 last month, $10,000 from increased commission rates, $2,000 from standard rates. Okay. Increased rates are locked behind a bronze tier, 20 to 30 approved videos first. So the beginner earns the standard on-site rate. That's 0.5% of 3%. Trevin says personally won't even look at it. Yeah. So, yep, wrong. Run at 2% on a $30 product is 60 cents a sale. Easily hundreds of dollars a month. Very conservative, meaning roughly 500 to 800 sales per month for that product for you to make any money. Okay. From a handful of videos competing for 6 carousel slots by the other own tools data, sometimes 1,000 hidden videos per listing. Yeah. So if you pick a popular product, you only get 6 slots on the review from Amazon. So if you're not the first one when that thing hits, you're never going to get seen if there's other people doing this, which there are. Okay, let's see. The number that they never say out loud what beginners makes per sale before a bronze, because it's a pocket change. You don't make next to shit. 30 cents, and it took you, 30 cents, this figure, let's look at, say, example, you did 700 videos. So times 30 cents, you'd make $210 for making 700 videos. So 200 videos or 700 videos in a week. So 210 divided. You're making $30 a day if you think about it. These guys are such jokes. I can't. Chris Koerner is one of the biggest scam artists there is. So here, okay. Trevin saying in the same video, 99% of people who will get rejected. Yeah, the Amazon owned program is terms and on-site commissions are not guaranteed. A guarantee and a 99% rejection rate from the same mouth. So whatever you got to do special to try and get approved, good luck. But 99% of you guys aren't going to get it. So again, this is just another misleading video trying to get you to buy their stuff. Okay. He says, Trevin says the video makes $300 to $500 a month. Then just yesterday, the product made $150. $150 a day is roughly $4,500 a month. His own two numbers are 10 times apart. So they're giving you misinformation, misleading stuff. So we'll keep going more in the audit, okay? The campaign count, there's a big one. There were about 100,000 campaigns. It was like 30. It went from 40 to 50 to 800,000. 3 different baselines and one answer. Pick a number. They're randomly shooting numbers out. You know, Trevin is just blowing smoke. He's just throwing numbers out to you guys, thinking you'll suck up and grab his crap. Okay, let's see. So let's see. Volume that breaks the whole deal up. Okay, his friend with 4,000 videos, $27,000. The guy with 1,000 videos, $40,000. Almost 4 times the videos, less money. Right after telling you need to do volume. You can't create the stuff that, like, these guys just make up so much BS. It's just unreal. Buy it. Okay, here's where it gets it. The scheme. Buy it, review it, and return it. They'll have their sisters buy it and return it. Chris asks in the same video, says it would, the pushback offered karma, not Amazon terms of service. And karma. So basically you buy a product, you take it out, you video it, and you send it back. So 2 people you're screwing over there, guys. One, the seller for one, because they get charged back for that. And any viewer that's trying to understand this is worth doing, it's not. It's just not. Let's see. A little more into it here. Yeah. So let me see. Basically, you can look at this whole thing, and it's just one, shit show after number. Okay, Trevor. Okay. Yeah. I'm just seeing if I got any more notes. Yeah. A 77-minute infomercial for their guest software opened in his words. This is not sponsored video. It is, you're sponsoring your own shit. So I'm going to go ahead and conclude this here so we can wrap it up. The program is real. We understand that. Good luck in getting in. It's 99% failure. Some people make money reviewing products on Amazon, but 700 videos in a week, guaranteed income with 99% rejection rate, and the math off by 10 times on their own examples. This is not a business breakdown. This is a sales funnel, and that's all it is. So looking forward to the next video. Like and subscribe, and please avoid these guys. These are just 2 of the biggest scam artists there are.